Hello and welcome. In this video, you will find out when consonants should be read hard and when soft. In Ukrainian language, there are 38 sounds. There are 6 vowels and 32 consonants. But you can notice that among consonants, there are some sounds that are written similar. So let's figure out what's the difference between them. All consonant sounds are divided into 3 groups. Hard, тверді, for instance, like in word небо. Soft, м'які, like in word ніс. And softened, пом'якшені, like in білка. Here you can see all the sounds that belong to these groups. Let's start with hard ones. To hard sounds belong all consonants except U because it's always soft. So these consonants are B, V, H, G, D, Ž, Z, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, F, H, C, Ch, Sh. To keep in mind these sounds, it would be better to divide them into 4 groups. So when letters D, T, Z, S, C, L, N, R, B, P, V, M, F, H, G, K, H, Ž, Č, Š, Sh are followed with A, O, U, E, they are read like hard sounds. Next group is soft consonants. We pronounce softly D, T, Z, S, C before E, Ya, U, Ö and soft sign, L, N before E, Ya, U, Ö, soft sign and Ye, R before E, Ya, U and Ö, and Y always. To remember these consonants better, just learn next expression. Де ти з'їси ці лини plus р. It is translated, where will you eat these ropes? Now, softened consonants. The matter is that these sounds are pronounced less soft than previous ones. That's why they are called softened. To them belong B, P, V, M, F, H, G, K, H, Ž, Č, Sh, Sh before E. Now let's sum up everything we've learned. So all the consonants we divide into 2 main groups: paired, парні, and odd, непарні. The first group is named so because consonants, which belong to it, can be hard and soft depending on the following vowel. And the other one is named so because its consonants don't have appropriate soft pair. But don't forget, they can be softened before E. And of course, remember U because it's always soft.